Hello students of class 10. Welcome back once again to your biology class. Today I am going to give you some MCQ questions related to the chapter life processes. 4 options will be there and you have to find out the correct option from there. The first question which comes is, which of the following is not a digestive enzyme contained in the pancreatic juice? So 4 options are given here: lipase, hydrochloric acid, mucus, trypsin, which is not a digestive enzyme contained in the pancreatic juice. So from here A, B, C and D 4 are given. So what will be the correct option from these 4? Which is not a digestive enzyme contained in the pancreatic juice. So the correct option will be C, 2 and 3, hydrochloric acid and mucus. 2 and 3. So option C will be the correct answer. It is not a digestive enzyme of the pancreatic juice. Next, the enzyme pepsin and trypsin are secreted respectively by 4 options here: stomach and pancreas, salivary gland and stomach, liver and pancreas, liver and salivary gland. Which will be the correct option? Number A, stomach and pancreas. Number 3, among the following choose the correct option which includes the organism that have a holozoic mode of nutrition. You will see in each option 2 organisms are given. You have to find out both of which have the holozoic mode of nutrition from each option. So the correct answer will be option number B, parakeet and amoeba. Number 4, raw materials required in the autotrophic mode of nutrition involves 4 options: carbon dioxide and water, chlorophyll, nitrogen, sunlight. So here A, B, C and D are given. What will be 1, 2, 3 or 2 and 3 or 1, 2 and 4 and all 1, 2, 3, 4. So A, B, C, D, from these 4 options you have to find out the one which is required in the autotrophic mode of nutrition. So the correct option will be option number C, 1, 2 and 4, because nitrogen is not required by the autotrophic by the plants who are performing the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Nitrogen is not required. So the correct option will be C. The enzymes contained in pancreatic juices help in the digestion of what? The enzyme which is present in the pancreatic juice helps in the digestion of proteins, fats and carbohydrate. So the correct option will be number D, proteins, fats and carbohydrates. Next question, which of the following help in protecting the inner lining of the stomach from the harmful effect of hydrochloric acid? Mucus, pepsin, trypsin or bile? Which one? From the harmful effect of hydrochloric acid, which protects the inner lining of stomach? What protects? Of course, the mucus. So correct option will be A, mucus. Next, sometimes we put painful cramps in our leg muscles after running for a long time due to the accumulation of what? 4 options are given here. So accumulation of lactic acid. Due to the accumulation of lactic acid, we get painful cramps. So the correct option will be D, lactic acid. The vein which brings clean blood from the lungs into the heart is known as what? Out of these 4, pulmonary vein, hepatic vein, superior vena cava or pulmonary artery. The correct option will be what? Think. Of course, the pulmonary vein. The pulmonary vein brings clean blood from the lungs into the heart. Okay. So answer correct will be option number A. Movement of the synthesized proteins from the leaves to the roots and other parts of a plant's body takes place through the phloem. And this process is known as, what is the name of the process? The name of the process is translocation. So here option A is the correct answer, translocation. The process of diffusion of solvent particles from the region of less solute concentration to region of high solute concentration through semipermeable membrane is known as, here it's given from a region of less solute concentration to region of high solute concentration, and of course a semipermeable membrane is taking place, so the correct option will be B, osmosis. Which among the following procedure is used for cleaning the blood of a person by separating the waste substances from it? Which process for cleaning the blood of a person by separating the waste substance is done by the process of dialysis? So the correct answer will be option number C, dialysis. Next, question number 12. The excretory unit of the human excretory system is known as. What is the unit of excretion? Unit of excretory system is of course the nephron. So option C will be the correct answer, nephron. Plants use the energy stored in ATP to accomplish the process of transportation of what substances? Water and minerals, oxygen, water, minerals and food, and only food. So plants use the energy stored in ATP to accomplish the process of transportation of food. Option D is the correct answer, food. Which among the following is necessary to carry out the blood coagulation in a cut or wound? So what helps in the coagulation of blood, in the clotting of blood? Platelets. So option C is the correct answer, platelets. Arteries and veins are connected by a network of extremely narrow tubes called arteries and veins, which are present, is connected by narrow tube. What is the name of the tube? The capillaries. The capillaries is the connecting network which is very narrow. So the correct option will be option number B, capillaries. I think till this much today. See all the MCQ questions. Understand how you have to make out the answer. Till this much today. Thank you.